Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we read about coordinative conjunctions, and today it is the turn of subordinating conjunctions. Today we are going to read about subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another clause on which it depends for its meaning. Simply, if I say, it means that subordinating conjunction joins two clauses out of which one clause is dependent and another clause is independent. As he ran away because he was afraid. So, in this sentence, there are two clauses. He ran away because he was afraid. So, out of these two clauses, one is independent, whereas the other one is dependent on this clause. One clause is he ran away and the second clause is because he was afraid. वो भाग गया क्योंकि वो डरा हुआ था. तो क्योंकि वो डरा हुआ था, if I say only this one because he was afraid without using this clause, if I say only this one because he was afraid, it doesn't give us any complete meaning. So we have to add this clause to some other clause to make it a complete sentence. So he ran away. If I say he ran away without saying this because he was afraid, without adding this one, if I say only this one, he ran away, it gives us a complete meaning definitely. That means it is independent clause, means it can stand independently alone itself. But this one, because he was afraid, including the word because, it cannot give us a complete meaning, so it is added to a independent clause. So this is independent clause in this sentence, and this one because he was afraid is dependent clause. So here in this sentence subordinating conjunction is because, which is used to join the independent clause to dependent clause. This sentence contains two statements or clauses, one of which, because he was afraid, is dependent on the other. Hence, the conjunction introducing the, this is not a, this is the, dependent or subordinate clause is called a subordinating conjunction. Hence means इसलिए, the conjunction introducing the dependent or subordinate clause, the dependent or subordinate clause को जो introduce करता है, जो start करता है, introducing means starting. So जो introduce करता है, that clause is called a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction may be classified according to their meaning as follows. Okay, there are many subordinating conjunctions which can be classified according to their meanings. Like first one we have is time. The train arrived after the signal had been lowered. जब signal नीचे हो गया उसके बाद train आई. So the word after here is the subordinating conjunction because it is showing the time, and it is also introducing the subordinating clause, the dependent clause. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, वेट टिल और अनटिल आई रिटर्न. सो ये वेट हो गया एक क्लॉज. क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं दिख रहा है तो वी हैव टू अज्यूम द सब्जेक्ट एज यू. ओके, वेयर वी डोंट हैव एनी सब्जेक्ट वी हैव टू अज्यूम इट एज यू. यू वेट टिल और अनटिल, बोथ द वर्ड्स कैन बी यूज, आइदर ऑफ देम, कोई भी उनमें से एक यूज़ किया जा सकता है. आई रिटर्न, ये फिर से हो गया सब्जेक्ट और ये वर्ब. यहाँ पे ये सब्जेक्ट यू और ये वर्ब वेट. ये हो गया सबॉर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. यू वेट, तुम इंतज़ार करो जब तक कि मैं लौट कर ना आऊँ. ठीक है, दीज आर द टू क्लॉजेज जॉइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सबॉर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन ऑफ टाइम. द मैन हैड डाइड बिफोर द डॉक्टर अराइव्ड. द मैन हैड डाइड, दिस इज द इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. आदमी मर गया, ये हमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग दे रहा है अगर हम इसमें कुछ और ऐड ना भी करें तो. लेकिन अगर मैं सिर्फ कहूँ डॉक्टर के आने से पहले, बिफोर द डॉक्टर अराइव्ड, डॉक्टर के आने से पहले क्या हुआ, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो वी हैव टू ऐड दिस क्लॉज टू समथिंग विच कैन गिव द मीनिंग कंप्लीट. So this dependent clause which is being introduced by the subordinating conjunction before is added to a independent clause, that is the man had died. So now it has become a complete sentence. We stayed indoors as long as it rained. Here the conjunction as is used. Okay, we stayed indoors, हम घर के अंदर रहे, as long as it rained, जब तक कि बारिश चलती रही. तो we stayed indoors is independent clause, whereas as long as it rained is dependent clause. फिर है हमारा he has not heard from her since she left this place. Since के बाद का जो भी है that is called dependent clause. Since she left this place, and he has not heard from her is the independent clause. These two clauses are joined with the help of since, subordinating conjunction of time.